High in the jungle canopy, a battle of rhythm and flair is about to begin. One dances, the other sings, but who truly rules the treetops? Picture this: a lemur leaps from branch to branch, feet tapping like a tiny drummer in a leafy concert. Meanwhile, a parrot shakes its feathers, bobbing to an invisible beat, squawking a salsa rhythm only it can hear. The lemur's moves are smooth, precise, a treetop tap dancer stealing the show. But the parrot? Oh, it's got attitude, flaunting colors, and beats like a feathered DJ. Who wins? Well, that's up to you. Do you groove with the lemur's stealthy footwork or vibe with the parrot's bold, noisy swagger? Call to action. Drop your vote in the comments, Team Lemur or Team Parrot? And don't forget to subscribe for more wild showdowns. Musical notes herb.